Hey guys, welcome back to Floki's Models. Did it! Hit 1,000 subscribers. And like promised, we're going to be doing a giveaway. This time, unlike the previous one where you only had one kit, the winner gets to pick between one of 4 kits. And the first one is this Bandai TIE Striker in 1/72 scale. If you're more into warships, then this 1/700 Dragon German destroyer, just a Z-31. If you're into aircraft, I got this Hobby Boss Hawk T Mach 67, which is used by the South Korean Air Force. It's still in the cellophane, so I don't know what the contents of this one it's like, but looks like a good kit on scale mates. So, and it's in 1/48 scale. And if you're an armor builder, then I got this AFV Club SDKFZ 231, which is an 8-rad, and it's a lot like the one that I'm working on right now, the 233. This one has, of course, the Panzer II turret instead of the Stug main gun. So, then are the 4 kits. To enter, just leave a comment saying giveaway down in the comments, and next Friday I'll pick a winner around 5 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I work 3rd shift, so I get up around 3:30 or so, and that'll give me plenty of time to wake up and make the video, get the comment pick, make the video, and that video should probably be up on YouTube around 5:30 after, you know, get it all done. So be watching for that. So like I said, just comment giveaway down below, and you'll be entered to win one of these 4 kits. Thank you all so much for subscribing, and you know, we'll do another giveaway when we get to the 2,000 subscriber mark. But in the meantime, just stay tuned for many more builds to come.